It's Patrick at Pals. Fiats. They're great cars. They come two ways, gas engine or all electric. This is an all electric version. It's a Fiat 500. Back here, you can see the sticker. Access OK, California, clean air vehicle. Look at that. Where you think you'd put gas in, you plug it in. This is what you do to repower your car. Every night you plug in the car, and then the next day you have 200 miles of range on that vehicle. So this is how you repower the car. Now, why is it here? Well, it's at Pals because the battery pack or power pack went bad. We're going to replace the power pack on this car and put on new brake pads so they can stop, and this car is going to go down the road just like it should. At Pals, we have the technology to take care of electric vehicles. If you have an electric vehicle, whether it's a Fiat, Nissan, or Honda, or any other full electric vehicle, bring it to Pals. See you soon.